I'm Beatrice Esterhazen for Group Editors Live. Welcome back to our Money Focus segment with Alexforbes. Today's episode is Fund Your Future, and we will be talking about the value of a financial advisor. We have in studio with us Elbie Pretorius from Alexforbes. Welcome, Elbie.
Thank you, Beatrice. Yeah, looking forward to speak to you.
Fantastic. So, Elbie, what are the benefits of having a financial advisor?
We all have dreams. Can you imagine your life without a dream? A dream to buy your own car where you can be independent and travel through our beautiful country. A dream to buy a house that you can call home, where you can have a garden, pet running around, your kids running around in your beautiful home. A dream to save for your kids' education, maybe an opportunity you never had.
So, can a financial advisor make my dreams come true?
Absolutely. The first thing is you need to sit down with your financial planner and start with a plan to say, listen, this is my plan. We will put an investment strategy together. We will monitor it on a regular basis, and we make sure that dream becomes a reality.
Okay, so what type of investments I'm looking at if I want to buy a house or I want to save for my children's education or an emergency fund? What type of investments will I be looking at?
There's a lot of options, and I think it's important to know that if something is too good to be true, it normally is. So don't just save money. Make sure you work through and with a financial institution that's reputable. Then we can start looking at a tax-free savings account. Your interest is not taxable, the dividends is not taxable, and if you liquidate your asset, no capital gains is payable. So also you can save in a retirement annuity, enhance your retirement. Your monthly contribution is tax deductible, and you will get a refund from SARS at the end of the financial year.
I was about to ask about retirements because they say something like 8% of South Africans can retire comfortably.
That's so sad, and that's true. You work 30 years. When you come to retirement, you think, yes, I did contribute to my fund. You open your statement and you have R1 million in your fund. R1 million will give you 5,000 rand per month. Will you be able to live with 5,000 rand per month? The reason for that is you don't open your statements when you receive it on a regular basis, because you know the contribution is going off your salary and you will be fine, but that's not the case. Do you understand what's a pensionable salary? Do you understand your contribution rate? Do you understand the investment strategy? That's all factors that will make sure you will be in a position to retire comfortably one day.
Wow, that's a lot to consider. And also something that we avoid talking about is death and disability and severe illness. Why are these topics important to consider?
One thing is for certain, we're all going to pass away, but we don't know when. So if you pass away tomorrow, will your loved ones be in a position to pay off your debt? Will they be able to stay in your home? Will they be able to cover your expenses in terms of your credit cards? If there's no policy or money, how will they survive?
Wow.
If you get a severe illness like a sickness like cancer, it's tough to go through that. And if there's a lump sum payment, you can focus on getting healthy and not stress about your finances. Also with disability, you don't think it will happen to you, but when you get a disability like a stroke or a motor vehicle accident, how will you pay for your life expenses? Your life carries on. You still need to buy food, you still need to pay your bond, and you will need help to do that.
Also, let's speak about why some debt is not good.
Debt overall is not good, and it puts a lot of strain on you if you know you don't have enough money to pay your debt, if your budget is not working out. But if you sit with your financial planner and you be honest, you put your debt on the table, we can look at consolidation of your debt, we can look at options of paying your debt with the highest interest rate interest rate first. And look at your bank statements. When last did you check your bank statements? You get a call of a telemarketing agent and you say, yes, because you're busy. When you blink, 200 rand is going off from your bank account. That 200 rand can pay off debt. So sit again with your financial advisor, go through your budget, go through your statements and make a plan to get out of this horrible spiral of debt.
And then also, in today's working environment, things like losing your job or retrenchment, it's very real in today's environment. No. So how can a financial advisor help in these emotional times?
It's part of our lives. I think if you work for a corporate, we all hear about retrenchment and maybe be unlucky to go through one. Alexforbes is specializing in helping clients with the legalities, understanding the tax, putting a plan together while you were looking for a new job. Maybe just use a portion of your retirement fund and not your whole retirement fund, and when you retire you don't have money. So yeah, there's ways and means to help you through this difficult time of retrenchment and losing your job.
That's a lot to think about, and I do see the value of having a financial advisor. So what are the next steps?
So in life, when you're born, what do? You sit, then you start crawling, then you strong enough, you pull you up and you stand on your two legs, and then you take the first step, and then you start running the race of life. And during that journey, there will be good times, there will be sad times. You will overcome sadness, and you will reach your retirement goals, and you will reach your goals to send your kids to varsity. But if you don't do nothing will happen. So make an appointment with your financial advisor, put your dreams on the table. We will put a plan together, and it will be time well spent with us.
Thank you very much, Elbie. So there you have it. I love that analogy of walking and crawling. So yes, make sure you get to your financial advisor as soon as possible and start making your dreams a reality. I'm Beatrice Esterhuizen for Group Editors Live, Money Focus with Alexforbes.